Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm Dr. Hamna Iftikhar, and today's lecture of gastroenterology is about esophageal injury and infections. The different types of injury that can occur within an esophagus, and the different infections that can infect the esophagus and cause injury. In today's lecture, we'll be studying about 5 different sections. The first section is drug-induced esophagitis. In this, we'll be studying about the mechanism, clinical features, and diagnosis that are related to drug-induced esophagitis. That is, when a patient takes medications, what are the different types of injury that can occur in the esophagus, and what are the prevention and treatments regarding this sort of esophagitis, and the specific medications that are very much harmful to the esophagus. In the second section, we'll be studying about the surgical trauma, stuff that are transferred into the esophagus, for example, the nasogastric tube, and there are different types of other tubes that are transferred into the esophagus and can cause injury. And we'd be studying about the acute esophageal necrosis, which is also called as black esophagus. So we'll be studying about it. In the third section, we'll be studying about trauma, more specifically about different types of trauma that can occur to the esophagus, such as blunt trauma, any sort of penetrating trauma due to gunshot or due to the injury with a knife, and what are the treatment options for the patient. In the fourth section, we'll be studying about different types of esophageal tears and hematoma. What are the different types of tears that can occur within the esophagus due to forceful vomiting? And there are different types of syndromes which are called as Mallory-Weiss syndrome, Boerhaave syndrome, and the spontaneous esophageal hematoma that occurs within the muscularis and can cause vomiting, which consists of blood. And then finally, in the fifth section, we'll be studying about different types of esophageal infections, such as Candida albicans, herpes simplex virus, human papilloma virus, trypanosoma, mycobacterium, and other different infections that can cause injurious effect to the mucosa of the esophagus and can cause different types of variety of symptoms that occurs within a patient. I hope you'd enjoy this lecture. Please keep watching sqadia.com.